I want you to think back at one of the leaders that made a big impact in your life. Think through somebody who you want to be like. They did something in your life that you thought, man, if I could if I could do that for someone else, then I would be winning. Who's that leader? For me, one of those leaders is Tony Cloud. Tony Cloud brought out the best in me. Tony Cloud invested in me. He believed in me. He worked with me. He led me. He was one of my first bosses that I worked for after college, and he made a tremendous impact in my life. Now, think through their communication style. Often, what you see is that leadership and communication go hand in hand. The most successful leaders and the most successful communicators often have these two in tandem. They can lead, they can bring out the best, they can also communicate so that you understand the best. Now, leadership and communication go hand in hand. Think about what leadership is. Leadership is acting, directing, guiding, working with people to bring about a desired result. What is communication? Communication is speaking, talking, conversing, discussing so that you can get to a desired result. Both of these have results as the end goal. Leadership, you're doing it through others, with others, for others. And then in communication, you're speaking towards others, with others, so that you can get to that result. These communication principles become leadership principles. And the leadership principles that you've read books about and studied and learned in college, they become communication principles. These two go hand in hand. Don't neglect one and build the other. Don't be like the person who goes to the gym and does all upper body but forgets leg day. No, you want to be a strong person all together. So invest in your leadership, invest in your communication, strengthen one. And when you do it intentionally, when you strengthen one, you'll strengthen the other. And then in 5 years, someone will get that question. Who's a leader that you respect? Who's a leader that you want to follow? Who's a leader that you want to be like? And there's a great chance, a great probability that they will say, you.